Shri Swami Samartha. My name is Sadanand Pai. I am now 86 years old. Dr. Pranjali has been attending to me from 2017. At that time, I was using stick, walker, as well as wheelchair. It was possible to slowly progress. I could not do even hip up for half a centimeter, and she tried all her patience to see that I lift the hip to more than 1 inch over a period. For me to do that hip up was a very big exercise. Then came lift. I could not lift my leg up or down. Even while getting down, I had to keep between the two steps one brick to reduce the height. Then came to the climbing the steps. It was not possible to climb at all. But she made me, yes, you can. And I could climb the steps. And today, I am in a position to climb 16 steps, that is 1 story, and 16 steps down every alternate day. Then an exercise came on lying on the stomach. That was really, when it came this way, I was finding it extremely difficult. But in course of time, it became very easy. I must say, she tried her level best to bring me to normalcy. Today, I do not use stick, walker, or the wheelchair. I walk without this or any escort. I go down the building to complex, have a walk, sit there for some time, and return. Though I do all the exercises which she say, my daughter and son, they insist that Pranjali should be there and I should do the exercises under her supervision, because they feel doing myself and doing under supervision is quite different. And she has been coming now alternate days instead of daily, because she felt that I can do better. So she comes, though we insist that she can come daily and her fees are not a criteria. But no, she said, I'll come only 3 days. This is how the things, where I could not even walk properly, I had to drag my feet because I could not lift my leg. And today I am like a normal man. I can sit in the car, put my legs up myself, whereas formerly I was required somebody to put my leg, lift and keep in the car. So now today nothing like that. Everything went smoothly, and she comes with a smile and attends, and also that for a half an hour or so. So she is with us, and we are very happy that not only I am happy, everybody is happy in the house, her coming and attending to her. That's all. And I am a believer of Swami Samartha, and he has also got a support to me. That's all. Namaste for everyone.